The master, my mic. Today video is not gonna be up so long. I'm going to. Sorry guys if I have a video like that, like this, but I'm going to snooze some Jake saw snooze. Some Jake saw snooze. See here. Some chainsaw snooze, some chainsaw snooze, some chainsaw snooze. I am a more dipper. I like to dip, spit in the mud jug, but today I'm going to do some snooze instead. Some snooze. I do like dipping more, but I do some snooze now. I'm more dipper, snoozer. Sorry guys, how to do this, but the shoutouts goes out to red. Shoutouts goes out to the shoutouts goes. I had a shout out to this because I have lost it. Sorry, because I don't have it in hand. See, so the shoutouts goes out to. Oh my god, I can't remember though. I remember the short list, but I'm snoozing now. I'm snoozing. See, look. I'm snoozing. Look. I'm snoozing. I'm snoozing. Fucking warning. Fuck the warning label. Yeah, so Grizzly Man 2 is a shout out to Grizzly Man 2. Grizzly Man 2. He should do some more videos. I do videos almost all the time. Almost all the time. I do videos. So subscribe my video if you like it or not. Please subscribe my video, man. Please subscribe the video. Please subscribe. I'm sorry how to hold a video like this. I'm sorry guys. I had to hold a video like this because of I'm going to bed soon. I had a good birthday last week or something like that. I was 40. I'm 40 now. So subscribe to this one person. Those videos only, well, Redneck TV also, but yeah, I am the dip master. My video is not gonna be up that long tonight. It's gonna be a short video. Sorry guys. A short video. Yeah, I'm a more dipper. I'm a dipper, but I don't dip right now because I have no dip left. Sorry guys, but I have dip tomorrow. I have a dip tomorrow. Gonna do another video again next week. I mean this week coming off. Oh, this after this Saturday, I'm gonna do another dip video. Actually, Sunday. So the Monday or Tuesday or Thursday, I'm gonna dip video again. I promise you guys. More dip videos. I promise you guys again. I promise. Yeah. So it's just that I have a little bit much to drink tonight. A little bit much drinking, and subscribe to the video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I have my setup in my room later on, so just subscribe to me, please. Just subscribe to me if you haven't already. Please subscribe. I want to get up to 500 subscribers of this year. This year I want to have 500 subscribers, please. Please subscribe. Okay, please subscribe. Okay. Then I just sitting here and play on GTA 5 and I'm playing a lot of games. All that stuff, playing a lot of games and stuff. So please subscribe to my channel, please, and like my video, please. And I'm going to do a lot of stuff. Some more full can of dips and snus. The full can of the full can of Siberia, the strongest snus in the world. I did that on a video a long time ago, before Outlaw did it. Before Outlaw did that video, I did that. Trust me. Go on to my page on my video. You can see I did it before he did. I did full can of Siberia before Outlaw did it. I promise you guys. Yeah. So I'm just going to relax, go to bed now, and just relaxing here, just relaxing. Okay. So I'm going to eat some steak tomorrow. Some steak. Yeah. Okay. I'm not the best YouTuber, but I'm okay YouTuber. I'm okay YouTuber, Shout out go to Griezmann 2. He doesn't make too much dip videos anymore, but he should make all the videos. I'm a dipper myself, but I know I snooze now, but I am a dipper. I love to spit in a mud jug. Go to mudjug.com, get some mud jug, or go to Red Nation and get some t-shirts or t-shirts from mudjug. T-shirts from mudjug.com and everything else. And it master, my smack, bye, ciao. Have a listen. Ciao.